This is Huawei's MateBook X Pro. It looks like a MacBook, feels like a MacBook, and even the name sounds like a MacBook, but it's not. It's better. Let's talk looks. There's no question the MateBook X Pro looks slick, probably because it's a shameless copy of Apple's 13-inch MacBook Pro. But that's easy to forgive because it's just so damn good. The MateBook X Pro has a gorgeous 13.9-inch touchscreen with slim bezels. The 3000 by 2000 resolution is probably too big for this screen size, but I doubt many will complain. A screen this nice begs to be touched. I'm not a fan of touchscreens on laptops because they can get dirty really fast, but Huawei says the MateBook screen is fingerprint repellent, but it's not. The MateBook also managed to fit a 13.9-inch screen into a super thin and lightweight body that's roughly the same size and weight as the 13-inch MacBook Pro. How did they do it? Huawei moved the camera to the keyboard. It just pops open on a click and shuts closed when you click it again. Unfortunately, this means that the already crappy 1-megapixel camera will have an up-your-nose angle. There's also a fingerprint scanner seamlessly built into the power button. The keyboard is rubbery, I had no problems getting used to it, and I like the fact that it's fully backlit. On the left, you'll find two USB-C ports, one of which is Thunderbolt 3 compatible, as well as a headphone jack. On the right, you'll find a single USB-A port, and it comes with a power adapter that's pretty compact. Overall, when it comes to design and usability, Huawei wins it big. Now, let's talk specs. Inside, the MateBook X Pro is an absolute powerhouse. The most powerful MateBook version comes with an 8th generation Intel Core i7-855U processor, 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB of SSD storage, and a battery that's supposed to last 12 hours. The sound on the MateBook X Pro deserves a special mention. Thanks to some Dolby Atmos magic, it expands the soundstage far wider than the laptop's actual 4 speakers. The MateBook X Pro isn't perfect, but it trumps competition in most areas. It has a fast fingerprint sensor, an extremely thin bezeled screen, top-notch specs, above average battery life, all in one beautiful display. The top model will set you back a little over $2,300, but you can also get a cheaper version for around $1,800. The bottom line is, Huawei had one thing in mind: build a device that's like Apple's pro-grade laptop, but better.